Let me ask you something. If you stopped working today, how long could you survive without a paycheck? For most people, that answer is terrifying, because deep down, we all know it. Retirement isn't some far-off fantasy. It's a countdown clock. Every year you delay planning for it. That clock ticks louder. But here's the real twist. Retirement isn't about getting old. It's about getting free. In this video, we're going to break down how to create the kind of long-term plan that buys you freedom, not just comfort. By the time you hit your 50s, by the end, you'll know exactly what steps to take so that your money keeps working even when you stop. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Most Americans aren't on track for retirement, not even close. According to recent surveys, the median retirement savings for people in their 40s is barely enough to cover a single year of expenses. Think about that. Decades of hard work, and one bad year could wipe it all out. Why does this happen? Because we fall into the illusion that there's still time. We tell ourselves, I'll start saving next year, but next year turns into 5, and 5 turns into 20. But here's the plot twist. You don't need to be a millionaire to retire wealthy. You just need to start thinking like one. And that begins with understanding this simple law. Money grows when time and consistency work together. If you follow these 7 steps, your life will change in ways you can't even imagine. Step 1. Define your freedom number. You can't hit a target you can't see. Start by calculating how much income you'd need each month to live comfortably, not extravagantly, but freely. Multiply that by 25. That's your financial freedom number. If you need $5,000 a month, your goal is $1.5 million invested. Seems big? Don't panic. We'll break it down next. Step 2. Harness the power of compounding. Compounding is the closest thing to magic in finance. Even modest, consistent investments, $500 a month in a simple S&P 500 index fund, can grow to over $1 million in 30 years. Time either works for you or against you. The sooner you start, the less you have to invest later. You don't need a Ferrari mindset, just a Honda with compound interest under the hood. Step 3. Max out your retirement accounts. 401ks, IRAs, Roth IRAs. These are not boring acronyms. They're government-approved wealth multipliers, tax breaks, employer matches, and decades of growth. That's how millionaires are quietly made. If your employer matches contributions, treat that like free money, because it is. Step 4. Build multiple income streams. One paycheck is fragile. 3 income streams? That's freedom. Think side hustles, rental properties, dividend stocks, digital assets. Because relying on one job forever is like standing on one leg. It's only stable until you get pushed. Step 5. Adjust your lifestyle, not your dreams. The key isn't deprivation. It's direction. Skip lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you invest, not spend. Every dollar you don't waste is a soldier fighting for your future freedom. Step 6. Review, rebalance, repeat. Set a date once a year to review your portfolio, rebalance your assets, check your goals, and make sure your money is aligned with your life, because what gets measured grows. Step 7. Prepare emotionally. Money alone won't make you happy in retirement. Purpose will. Picture your dream lifestyle. Travel, hobbies, family time. Start shaping that vision now, so that when the day comes, you're not just financially ready, you're mentally ready. Because if you don't define your future, someone else or something else will. Here's where everything connects. Retirement isn't the end. It's the reward for decades of smart decisions. When you plan early, invest wisely, and protect your focus, you're not just building wealth, you're buying time. Time to live on your terms. Time to do what matters. Time to stop trading hours for dollars. And trust me, the best feeling in the world isn't payday. It's everyday feeling like payday. You've seen the blueprint. You know the trap most people fall into. Now it's your move. Start today. Because the best day to plant your financial future was 10 years ago. The second best day is right now. Don't just plan to retire. Plan to live free. If this video helped you see your future a little clearer, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this wake-up call. Because the world doesn't need more dreamers. It needs more planners.